Breathe and be connected to your body. Each breath brings you deeper into this connection with your soul. Breathe and become aware of the spiritual essence that is inside your physical frame. Breathe and be present in this space. Breathe and be present in the places within. It is for this purpose that you have come here, to create a deeper connection and reveal your power and wisdom. Imagine now you are encircled by women of your ancestral lineage in times past, back 100 years, 1,000 years, and more. Beyond time and space, we are one in this sacred space. To see, hear, and feel together. To sense and celebrate the women who came before in the present. To heal for the women now and into the future. Imagine now that you are encircled by the women of your ancestral lineage, surrounded by women of ages past in this present moment, to change and transform into the future. They are all with us and watching us now. Our day is the day they have all waited for. The redemption of their shame, sorrow, and suppression. The revealing of their persecution and pain. Their transformation of their trauma with truth. We see you. We feel you. We are you, your daughters of the divine feminine. We are here to bring forward your pain, scanning back through time. Go through the timeline stored within your cells and your soul. Let the thoughts and feelings flood your mind. Seeing, sensing, hearing their cries, their calls of the past. Sorrow and grief surfacing, pain and persecution appearing, anger and sacred rage are rising up, fears and frustration brought forth. Sense the uncertainty and insecurity. We are here to feel it and heal it with you and for you. Together we recognize and release. Feel it flood the soul. Release with deep, cleansing breaths. Breathe out. Breathe in. Feel it. Keep breathing through the thoughts and feelings that arise. Find it. Where we share our sorrows. Where we share our shame. Where we feel the suppression of words unspoken, dances not danced, songs not sung, gifts not given, power not allowed, healing halted, joy repressed. Feel it in our bones. It flows through our veins. The stories of the old are brought forth in the new light. The truth was told to us for you. The seeing, the feeling, and the hearing of our stories, sorrows, and sufferings again. Allow feeling and healing to happen for us and them. Breathe it out of the body with them and for them, so we can bring in the power again. We are one. The divine light unites us all through the flow of life in our breath and our bodies. Let the pains of the past flow freely from you with each breath. Release out. With each breath, receive a renewal of life. A pain passed through time from mother to child, now cleared away with the divine light. See these layers lifting. The light is shifting, your cells receiving and renew. These stories are stored in your soul. You are freed, and you are whole. You are cleared by the light of Christ, reconnecting us all through time with Father and Mother Divine. See from today through the past, clearing the cords with love at last. Forgiveness, compassion, gratitude. Grace for what we experienced gave us wisdom. What we know now is our power. Power to return to the love that created us. The life and light of the divine creative energy of Mother Earth and Heaven. She is in us and with us, and we are united in our bond as spirit sisters, spiritually strengthened, supported, and sustained with life and light. Each mother holds the seed of life for the next generation. The stories that have been passed down through the seeds are like timeline of trauma. See, the seed has been renewed and changed, restored from womb to womb of the woman, until it reaches the first woman on earth, until it reaches the first woman of heaven, united in a bond of divine feminine power and wisdom that connects through all time, space, and dimension. Seeing how this pain has taught us, the power is restored to us as we heal and learn the lesson and return to love. Now is the time to remember our birthright, our brilliance, in rising into the divine feminine. See you and your part of this remembrance, rising into divinity, and how you bring this to humanity on this, our Mother Earth. Revealing to you the truth of your divinity, reminding you of your ability to be an expression of divine femininity. Be in this remembrance of this feminine essence, the wisdom within empowering you in all that you do, in all you are. Revealing who you have always been.